Imagine never feeling the chill, even as the wind howls on the mountain. That's the promise of the Blizzard Insulated Jacket, exclusive to Aussie disposals. Fully seam-sealed, waterproof up to 5,000 millimeters, with a tough Taslon shell and 160 GSM of cozy insulation. Smartly designed with Velcro wrist adjustments and ample pockets, you'll stay warm and organized all day long. Experience real comfort on the slopes or in town. Don't settle for less this winter. Choose unbeatable protection. What are you waiting for?